Here comes the bride, all fat and warrior. Actually, it's a box. Yes, it's just been delivered to me via DPD, which is a delivery company, a bit like DHL. But you see, it's a box. Now, I wonder what's in this box. Let's give it a good old shake, shall we? As you can see, there seems to be a lot of airspace. Oh, there. That ain't good. No, not if you like your trees, like me, you see. Now, I know what I've ordered, but allow me to show you. I had to get into it first. I think you cut the lid off. I'm guessing there's no obvious way in. No. And I'm cutting towards myself with an axe. Oh, there you go. Nice sharp axe. There it goes. Yes, it is sharp. Da, 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 da. I don't know if it's the way in or not, but it is now. Yeah, you've got to cut towards yourself, okay? For health and safety reasons. So obviously it's not a great idea. No. But I am anyway. There you go. I do apologise. It's all about control, you see. Oh, I wonder what's in it. In fact, I know what's in it because I'm ordering my order. Yeah. It's not sponsored or anything like that by Lidl's. No. No. Although, I'd be happy to do that with some things, as long as they don't mind me being honest. Because I'm not going to big up stuff that's shit. Right? No, not going to do it. Go against my ethos. Now, the first thing I notice is this very large box. Which seems surprising considering I know what's inside the box. At the moment, there is a vast majority. If this was a democratic election, the air would win. That would. This is absolute. Just take this in for a minute. How big is this flippin' box? That's it. That is what I've ordered. Magnetic toolbars for my new tool cabinet I'm going to be building. All right? But why the hell is it in a box? All right, let's just get this perspective. And this is Lidl's. This is ridiculous. You're not going to break these anyway. No. Allow me to show you what they are. This is really grating on me. I get quite a lot of deliveries here, all right? And more often than not, they come in boxes that are ridiculously big. Now, here in France, we have a company called C Discount. They're not too bad. Amazon is the worst, but now I think maybe Lidl's takes over for the biggest boxes, for the smallest products. What the hell is going on? How can they justify this? Crikey! The world is on fire, and here are the culprits. Online sales. You do not need that amount of packaging for these. They're these a magnetic tool. Well, tool. What's it? Okay, a bit like your knife rack, magnetic knife racks you'd have. There we go. Like you see here, I've got on here. All these are fixed to these magnetic bars. They too were from Lidl's, but I got them out of the store. But I couldn't get them out of the store because they weren't in the store. No. So I ordered them online. So I thought it was a good idea. And they come with that. I just don't know how you justify it. I really don't. Lidl's, you fail. Big time. You're burning up the planet that you are. What say you? Please leave it in the comments down below. Toodaloo! Might be all like fun. Maybe subscribe to the channel. And maybe the little bell icon, because then you get a warm fuzzy video in your pocket every time I upload another video. And I know you'll be excited about that. Yeah. If you're not, write a letter.